Oh my gosh. It's showtime, y'all. Okay, your event is here. Woohoo! Good luck. I'm so excited for you. You're gonna do great. So depending on when your event lands in the week, you might have some time to squeeze in final emails of encouraging registrations. So things like, oh, it's the last day, make sure you sign up, or final day, grab your seat. Same thing with social media. You could potentially get in a few more urgency posts and get a couple more registrations that way. If you have time, circle back to those connections in your personal touch that maybe expressed interest but didn't register. And you can also say, hey, I saw you registered. I can't wait to see you there, as a reminder just for them to show up. Oftentimes, just as a note, it's about 50%, especially for a free event, you're going to get about 50% people showing up that registered. So just already have that in your head. The most work you and your team will really be doing this week is the emails to the attendees. So there's 4 of them. It might seem like a lot, but people are busy and these reminders are really helpful for them to be able to come to the event. So Eventbrite has an easy way of setting up these emails. You can also use your own email platform and get these scheduled out. It's super easy. And there's really no other additional information in each of these emails. So that's kind of what makes it a little easy, except you're calling out the time of up until when the event is happening. So the event's 2 days away, 1 day away, 1 hour away. And the last one, the 4th email that you're going to be sending out, is within 24 hours after your event, no later. If you can make it the same day, that's even better. And this is a thank you email. So it's really important because hopefully in your presentation, in your event, in your webinar, you had an offer. And if you did have an offer, I'm hoping that you put a time restraint on that offer. This helps people to really react in the moment and take you up on that offer. So by circling back around with them, telling them the offer expires in X amount of time, this creates a sense of urgency. It's also nice because those that actually registered and didn't show up will also see this offer and potentially want to take advantage of it. And you can give them the recording if you want, or you can make the recording only available for a few days. It's completely up to you. You can also provide material that you promised them in the event. And really just a big thank you for showing up. And sorry we missed you if they didn't show up. So, all right. Did you reach your goals? I encourage you to dig deeper into the analytics. Eventbrite can show you some really interesting things of where your audience came from and things like that. And you want to kind of take note of how many people showed up versus registered, and review all that data to see what you could do better for your next event. It's going to be really helpful. You want to see your website traffic and all that fun stuff. And that's it for week 5. Woo! Congratulations. You did it. You hosted your event. And I wish you all the success. Your work is almost done, I promise, but not quite. Head over to week 6 for just a very quick recap.